Imagine a world thriving on cooperation, where nations prioritize dialogue over discord. This vision showcases the power of effective diplomacy, an essential tool for sustaining peace and fostering mutual understanding among cultures. Consider how bilateral diplomacy not only brings two countries to the negotiating table but can also serve as a model for others, highlighting the importance of compromise and shared interests. Multilateral diplomacy escalates this dynamic by involving various nations in a single conversation, fostering a more complex but potentially more effective framework for solving international issues. In such settings, collective action can emerge, exemplified by agreements reached at forums like the United Nations, where member states unite to address global crises. Economic diplomacy strives to elevate trade relations, presenting opportunities for nations to cooperate economically rather than confront one another. With shared investments and trade agreements, countries can bind their futures together, creating incentives for peace. Cultural diplomacy operates through shared heritage and educational exchanges, allowing people to experience each other's customs firsthand, promoting empathy and collaboration globally. Public diplomacy influences how citizens perceive foreign nations, and through strategic messaging, countries can shape international narratives that bolster their diplomatic interests. In the age of digital diplomacy, nations leverage technology to engage more directly with foreign audiences, breaking down barriers that once limited communication and collaboration. Preventive diplomacy is critical in identifying potential conflicts before they spiral out of control. By dispatching skilled envoys to regions experiencing tension, the United Nations plays a proactive role in mediating disputes, aiming for resolutions that prioritize dialogue over violence. Track I and Track II diplomacy further enrich this landscape. Track I represents official government processes, while Track II encompasses informal dialogues frequented by experts and activists, working in tandem to support peace initiatives. Each approach highlights the diverse applicability of diplomatic strategies, showcasing that peace is achievable through dialogue, trust, and mutual respect among nations. In a world where diplomacy flourishes, cooperation triumphs over conflict, creating a harmonious landscape for nations to thrive together. Engaging in multilateral discussions, sharing economic opportunities, and fostering cultural exchanges ultimately weave a tapestry of interdependence, laying the groundwork for a peaceful global community.